Attention, Gmail users. This is one of the biggest Gmail updates in years. You can finally change your Gmail email address without losing your Google account. Previously, if you wanted a different Gmail address, your only option was to create an entirely new Google account. But now, Google lets you change your main Gmail address directly from your account settings. Here is how you can do it. Go to Manage your Google account, then tap Personal Info, and select the email option. On the next page, you will see your current Gmail address. Right next to your email address, you will notice a small arrow. Simply tap on that arrow to continue. Now you will be taken to another page where you will find a Change Google Account Email button just below your current Gmail address. Tap on that button. Before you can change your Gmail address, Google will explain what happens when you change your Gmail address. For example, your old Gmail address won't disappear. It will continue to work, and you will still receive emails sent to your previous email address. The best part is that changing your Gmail address does not delete any of your Google data. Everything connected to your Google account remains completely safe. You don't need to back up your data or transfer anything because only your email address will change. Once you have finished reading all the information, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There you will see a field where you can enter your new Gmail address. Simply type the new Gmail address that you want to use. Make sure you enter it correctly because this will become your new primary Gmail address. If the address you've chosen is available, you can continue to the next step. After entering your new Gmail address, review it one more time to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Once everything looks correct, tap the Change Email button. Google will then ask you to confirm your decision one more time. If everything looks correct, simply confirm the change. That's it. Your Gmail email address has now been successfully changed. Keep in mind that you can change your Gmail address only 3 times in total. Also, you can change it only once every 12 months. Once you have changed your Gmail address, you will need to wait another 12 months before you're allowed to change it again. So choose your new Gmail address carefully. After the email address has been changed successfully, you will immediately start seeing your new Gmail address across your entire Google account. Open Gmail, and you will notice that your new email address is now displayed. From then on, every new email you write and send will automatically be sent using your new Gmail address. The best part is that you are not stuck with your new Gmail address forever. If you ever change your mind, you can easily switch back to your previous Gmail address whenever you want. To do this, go to Manage your Google account, then tap on Personal Info and select the email option. And then tap the arrow next to your Gmail address. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the Alternative Email section, you will see the Gmail address you previously used. Just below it, you will see the Make this your Google account option. Tap on it, and a confirmation window will appear asking if you want to make your previous Gmail address your primary email again. Confirm your choice, and your previous Gmail address will once again become your main Google account email. And if you ever want to switch back to your new Gmail address again, you can simply repeat the exact same steps. This is one of the biggest Gmail updates because you no longer need to create a brand new Google account just to get a new Gmail address. Your account stays the same, your data stays safe, and changing your Gmail address is now much easier than before. So, if you have been waiting for a way to change your Gmail address without losing your Google account, this new feature makes it possible.